Hello, everyone. Eager to see who's checking out your TikTok profile? Today, I'll guide you on enabling the profile view feature on TikTok. Let's jump in. First, you have to access TikTok. Fire up TikTok and head to your profile. Then, look for an eye or profile icon at the top right, which indicates the profile view feature. Take note that this is the rollout situation. Bear in mind, this feature isn't available for all yet. TikTok is releasing it in phases. To access this feature, we can go ahead over to your App Store. Check if there's an update for TikTok and get it if available. After that, navigate back to your profile and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then select Privacy. Scroll down and find Profile Views. If it's turned off, click on the right side of Profile View History to turn it on. And there you have it. You enable your profile view on TikTok. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.